In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pixlr to create a mirror image effect. This is my original image. It's a photograph of some myrtle trees in a parking lot, and this is the mirror image. I want to talk to you a little bit about image choice. So let's say I want to do a cosmos. This is a picture of a cosmos. But this would not be a good choice to use for this project because it doesn't really have anything that's touching the edges. There's a little bit of this green foliage in the back that's touching the edges, but it's kind of blurry and it doesn't really show up that good. So when I do the mirror image effect on this image, it looks okay, but it's not really that dramatic. Not nearly as dramatic as the myrtle trees that had the really strong lines. So here's another version of a cosmos. This cosmos has these lines of the stems that are going to the edges, and it has all this green and pink in the background that could look kind of interesting. So when I do the mirror image effect on this one, this is what I came up with. And it does look a lot more interesting than just the plain cosmos just in the center. So make sure when you're looking for your images that you choose something that has interesting lines that touch the edge. I'm going to use this cosmos as my practice image, and I'm going to show you how to create this. So you may need to go on to Google Images and copy an image first to use in this project, and then open it up. You can go to File, Open, and look for it this way, or there are other ways to open the image too. Okay, so now that I have my image, the first thing that I'm going to do is go over here to the Layers panel, and you'll notice that it says Background and it has a padlock on it. I have to get rid of this padlock first by double-clicking it. There we go. The next thing that I'm going to do is click on Layer 0 and drag it down to this New Layer button, which will make a copy. So now I have Layer 0 copy and Layer 0. Now I'm going to do something called Add Canvas Size to this. So I will go to Image Canvas Size. And what I want to do for this image is double the height. The height is 642 pixels. So what I'm going to do is go to Google and type in calculator, C-A-L-C-U-L-A, oh, there it is, T-O-R, calculator. And 642, is that what it was? 642, yep. And multiply by 2, and I get 1284. Okay, so right here I will put 1284, and I'm going to change the anchor point to this bottom one. So that means it's going to add the extra space to the top. So it's going to add it above this blue square. So I'll click OK. And now it's so large that I can't see it on my screen. So what I'm going to do is go to View, Show All, and then it makes it so it fits the screen. Now I'm going to take, I have Layer 0 copy selected right now, so I'm just going to click it. I have the Move tool selected. Click it with the Move tool, and I will move it right up to the top here. And I don't want any of that white edge to show. I'm going to use the arrow keys and just nudge it a little bit. There. Now I'm going to click on Layer 0, and I need to flip that. So I'm going to go to Layer, because I need to flip the layer, and I always forget if it's vertical or horizontal. I'm going to try horizontal and see if that's the right one. Nope, wrong one. So I'm going to go to Edit, Undo. So it must be Layer, Flip, Vertical. Yep, that's it. Okay, good. Now I think it would look good if this whole image was rotated to the side. So now I'm going to go to Image, rotate canvas 90 degrees clockwise, and that looks really cool. So it's finished. I'm going to go to File, Save, and I will call this Mirror Image and put my name on it. And then I will click OK and save. Now in my tech portfolio, I will click the plus sign to make a new slide, and I will title this Mirror Image. Click down at the bottom part, and I will go to Insert Image, choose an image to upload, and it's right here, Mirror Image Justine, and click Open. Then I can move this where I want, and I can resize it if I want to, and there we go. So you can make as many of these as you have time in during this period. That's it for now.